Hey guys, today we're going to take a look at where you update your privacy policy and terms of service use for Google Apps. Google now requires a privacy policy and terms of use for your apps, and I'll show you where it looks, where you can see it on your home screen. But where you manage that is in your settings, and come down to the Manage Info in the Settings tab, and right here your privacy policy and user agreement for the apps on Android. And let's take a look at where you see them on the mobile devices. So bringing up one of our apps, you can see right here, we've got this field only on Android versions of the app right now because it's not needed in Apple. But your user agreement, when you click on it, is here, and then your privacy policy is also here. You can go back and forth. You can toggle between the user agreement and privacy policy. And then once you check this box, you are now able to get into the app. So your email and your password requires you to check this box that you've accepted the user agreement privacy policy. So where you manage that is, again, in the app settings where you have the home screen under Manage Info, and then your privacy policy and your user agreement is right there. Thanks for watching.